Hey friends, if you wish to know which is a better search engine or be a better Google alternative in comparison to Bing and DuckDuckGo, then please watch this video. So to compare this, we already have Google here. I'll open bing.com and the last thing that I will open is DuckDuckGo. Okay. Now, here's the actual comparison between all three of them. First of all, Google. Let's say I search for my name here, it will show something. Okay, let's say I search for the how to fix Windows update error. Okay, it will start with an AI result. This is something that Bing does not do because this is followed by a lot of fixes from YouTube because it's promoting its own thing. Then people also ask section and then start solutions from forums and then eventually blogs. So if I search the same thing on Bing, the results would be very significantly different. Okay, it would give a Wikipedia result in the right and then it would give website results at the top. Now this makes things very different and I'll tell you why it makes things very different. Obviously YouTube videos are followed by that because now when you scroll down the results from websites are actually on the top. Okay, so this is how it works. DuckDuckGo is a totally different thing. I'll show you. It doesn't have any this AI overview or something. Okay, this one is an AI overview, but trust me, it is very pathetic. And it starts with forums, but then it straight away comes to the website. So it is like a very primitive version of Google. But the best part about DuckDuckGo is that it is very secure in the sense that your information will stay here and it will not be leaked anywhere. This is not the case with Bing or Google, but so DuckDuckGo is a totally different thing. And Bing is different in the sense that it will show results which are from genuine human written websites on the top. And Google, yes, it has given preference to AI overviews, YouTube, and forums over articles. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.